Hello everyone, I'm so much delighted to welcome you to this discussion this time round. Call me Okelo Alan. I'm going to take you through creating list of figure. So you can create list of figures just in a simple way. What you need to know, you need first of all to get where your figures are. So let me try to get my figures. So from there, you need to know, let me check where my figures are. So from there you go to reference. Now you go and check your figure, and then you go to insert caption, and then from there you can see in caption you can now, it is caption 1, and the figure, it is now the figure, and then from here you can include the level of caption if you want, but if you don't want, there's no problem. So if you want to number them, you can number them, but for me I will say just okay. Okay, and then from there you scroll down, then you get another. I can have this one again. I go to our caption, and insert caption 83. So again the same thing, you can even include levels on caption if you want to include levels like cathode ray. I can say cathode ray, you can do, then you just press OK. Then from there you can say even OK. Then you are OK. You can see that it's from here, it is cathode ray. And then this one here, you can even go and insert caption. So cathode ray 2, maybe you want to edit, you don't want it to be cathode ray, you can even delete. Um, you may change if you want, so you can even change from here, change level from there, and then you can say that what, like that one you can name alpha ray, you press OK, and then you just press OK there, and then you will find that the things, you have worked it out and it is now coming out. So you can see that you have alpha ray, then you press enter, it is down there. So next you can have this one here, then the same thing you would do. You can say this one is, you can give a name if you want. If you want to give a name, you can come levels, and then from there you can say what, you can say experiment 1, press OK, then here OK, and then from there you continue if you want, you continue and check another one, and like this one here, you can just say it a graph. This one you can insert something, then you say it's no longer experiment, but it's something different from the experiment. You can label this one, it is a graph, it is graph, it is graph. You press OK, and then you press OK there, and then from there is nothing much done needed. So you just come to home. Okay, so after that you come to insert, not home, then you come to blank page, you press it, then if you have a blank page, so you will have all of those. So from there, blank page, you can now take the reference in the blank page, content, can go to content, then you insert them. So I can see my work is already here, so I have them as many as possible. Yeah, so those are basically what you can do to have all those. So it is a simple task of which you can do in a short period. Thank you. Yes, dear, thank you. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm so much delighted to have you once again in this discussion. Yes, let's proceed now. I would like to introduce you to something new, this Microsoft Office Word. So basically, Microsoft Office Word, if you want to deal with, you come to Start menu, and then you go to Word automatically. You may have like this word here, and then from here there are very many things that you can perform out here. Now you can have what you can do basically do with this. Nothing can be done without highlighting. You have to highlight. If you highlight, and then you perform a task. Let us first say maybe you want to do something on this title. You can do very many things. You can now even you can first of all let me give you a line and align it with double line. You can see you can make it bold, or you can even change the font size. The font size maybe like to 22. You can see, and then from there it means that you have been here. So from there you can as well change the color. The color can be green, purple. mm, there are very many things now. Oh, that one is that. Now maybe line spacing, maybe you want to change the line spacing. The line spacing basically you know that is 1.5. That's the best one for someone to read. So you need to put around 1.5. So there are very many things that you need to know here. Let us see what you want to insert. You can insert anything. Maybe you want to insert table. You need first of all to go where you want to insert table. Let me check somewhere. Like let me here say somewhere here. You can come and click here, and then you insert your table. You first make sure that the cursor is active, then you can insert your table. You can see. So you can have the table here. That table can be here. You can see that the table is already here. So the table is already here. So it means that you can do this within a short period of time. Now, there are another things that you can do. Maybe let's assume you want to design. You can as well design, but it's very important for you to highlight, as I told you. Oh, you can do that, but you can put the page color, page border, like blue. You want it to be blue. You want it to put the page border. Those are the basic information that you need to know with the with Microsoft Office Word. Now, come to page layout. Page layout, maybe you want to change the way your page is. You want to change the page orientation. You can use that page layout. You will come to watermark. Maybe here you want to insert the watermark. You still use the same way. You put it in the back up to for it appear at the back of you do document. You can use it. So there are very many things that you can do with this. So thank you. That's the introduction on Microsoft Office Word. We are going to see more in the next discussion. Thank you.